So let's start with the wrap, wrap, wrap combination. That's the next step. So we start down top, of course, what we always do, because we want to end up inwards and we have a triple wrap, we will start inwards. And you will see if you do so, if we perform a wrap, 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 we do not need an additional stripe, because we cross this border 3 times. That means everything should then be covered without an additional stripe. So we look at this. So we start inwards, and then now we perform the first wrap like this. So we jump from one side to the other side, and now we do the second wrap. We go back to the other side of the lever. We put it right here. And of course, now we're on the wrong side. We have to perform the third wrap, and that's where we are. And as you can see right here, it gives you a clean look, a nice coverage of the whole area. If we roll back the hoods, we have a perfect situation right here. Okay, that's basically it.